All right, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Allison Alanna. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button on your way in, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to the channel. I wanted to show y'all, it's Saturday night, by the way, and I wanted to show y'all the outcome or give y'all like an update on the wings. So take a look at this real quick. So I just set these out to thaw. It's like late in the evening, around 8 o'clock or so, probably a little bit after 8:10, whatever. But I took these out. Maybe I'll cook them tonight, maybe I won't, but they are frozen, so it's probably gonna end up being more like for lunch tomorrow. But this is 16 wings in a bowl that I'm just gonna let sit in here and thaw, right? And we've done this already 3 times. So I had them like broken down, a few of them, a few times in like some Ziploc bags. And if I could get this lid on, I can say what I want to say. Yeah, hold on. So this is the 3rd time I've counted out 16. So that's 48 wings, and I'm left with 11 in the bag. So that comes up to about 59 wings. So each time I use 16, so I got 3 uses. And I mean, really 12 wings if we just don't use them for lunch or something, or just I might want wings and they might want something else or whatever. That works out fine. So I think the 10-pound bag is worth it. You can get at least 4 meals from that for a family of 4, and probably more if it's just like 2 of y'all. So I think the 10-pound bag of chicken wings from Sam's Club is definitely worth it. As a single mom of 4 and my youngest being just 2 years old, I know firsthand how busy we get and how time just seems to fly by. Between feeding, diaper changing, pull-up changing, potty training, working, and maintaining my home, I never seem to have time for myself. I remember when my youngest was first born, I'd wish somebody would just come over and take the baby so I could do simple things like shampoo my hair or even just eat a meal. But that never happened for me. It was hard, and I had no time to myself, let alone time to put together nice outfits. I just throw on whatever was clean and then go do whatever I had to go do. This is why I created Paired, a place where single moms with limited time can still look amazing. We offer different sets for many different occasions, making it easy to access whatever you need and to get going because your time is very limited. Most importantly at Paired, we want women to take care of themselves and not compromise who they are as a woman to be a mom, because you don't have to choose, you can do both. Lastly, I want you to always remember that you are important and that you matter. So go ahead, head over to www.shoppaired.com. Turn that down, Ace. A little bit more. Okay, y'all, so I just finished my laundry. Yeah, my laundry. And turn it down. Oh, pardon. Thank you. So I just finished my laundry. I'm folding up my last load of clothes now. I washed 4 loads of clothes for myself, plus my sheets and my comforter. But the comforter did something really weird. Like all of the down in the inside buckled up in the washing machine, and now it's like all these big. It's like all these big lumps and thumps in my comforter. I'm so pissed off. I just want to throw all of my stuff away now. My sheets, the comforter, everything. Like I just want to start fresh at this point. I tried to, pull it out, flush it out as much as I could, and it is some better. But it's like, no, ma'am. This is not what it was before. I don't know why this happened now, because I've washed this comforter several times, and it's never performed with such low quality. And so, ugh. That's kind of icky, but I mean, August, babe. I did the best I could with it for now, but I was really surprised and a little annoyed by that because calm down. No, I didn't hit your hand. I took your hand and moved you away. So, yeah, that's that. So I'm just finishing up folding my bag. I love these shirts, y'all. These are from Walmart. They are the No Boundaries brand, and they go so well with anything. Like, I like to wear these underneath my little blue and black fur jacket that I get so many compliments on, and these can go well under like blazers. You know, just they layer well. They're great for layering in the fall and winter, and they come in short sleeves too. So because it's about to be springtime, you know, we can start picking up some of those as well. So, you got your hat on?
Yeah.
I can use space bar. A king size space bar.
Yeah, I can do that.
And like a big bag of Doritos. I guess you allow that too, right?
Yeah.
Yep, I'll allow it this time.
And then the third option, I don't know. Maybe something at the Santa Club up on. Oh, and the drink.
Bye.
All right, good morning, y'all. It is Sunday, so happy Sunday. I didn't get a lot of vlogging done yesterday at all, so we're going to combine Saturday and Sunday together. Right now, I'm about to get myself dressed because I'm going to do some shopping today for some food. So let me go ahead and do that and get the day going. All right, so I've been debating for the longest time about what I'm going to put on. I want to look put together, you know. Well, I mean, I always go out with something decent on, but I just wanted to look, you know, like, I think I just probably need to invest in like lounge wear that I can wear outside, because I didn't really want to put jeans on, but it's either this or leggings, and I don't really want to wear my leggings right now. The top that I was going to wear with my leggings, I don't really want to wear that. Like, I literally was over there debating for like 20 minutes on what to put on, and even this, I don't want to put this on. But these are some jeans, some American Eagle jeans with holes in the knees. They don't stretch. They like, I guess like boyfriend style. And then this little graphic type of tee. But I don't even want to wear this. Like, I don't know. I'm just in one of those, not really indecisive, but I can't really figure out the look. I know the look, but I can't really figure out the look, if that makes sense, you know? I just want something chill, like cute mom shopping, but cute. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know. If you know, you know. So it is a lot warmer out here than I thought that it would be. I know it was going to be in the 60s, but for some reason I still had a feeling like that was going to be still somewhat cold. So I got this big old coat on, this hat on, because my hair isn't done. But I washed like my denim jacket, like this little like shacket thing that I wear like in the fall last night. Those were like my lighter outerwear pieces, and they're both still wet because I don't put them in the dryer. So I'm about to be baking. All right, so we are at Sam's Club, and the place is so, I hate coming here on Sundays. I was going to leave and go to Whole Foods and come back with hopes that it was going to be like less traffic here, but I'm thinking it might just be just about the same. So let me just get it all the way up. It's currently $12.50. If I can get out of here before 2 o'clock, it'll be a win. It's not even cold. Why are you putting your hood on? You cold? Mm-hmm. Oh my goodness. All right, so I've been shopping for a minute. I got 2 cards actually. This is just like a skim of what's in this card, and then some waters down here. And then
Gatorade down here.
I got like all of the snacks and stuff that come in the big boxes in here, and some Gatorade down there. Right now I'm getting some seasonings, and this is the seasonings I was talking to y'all about in the previous video. Kinders, I see this quite a lot on TikTok, Instagram, and anywhere people are cooking. So like I said, they do have them here at Sam's Club. If you do want to get, if this is your brand or you like this brand, they definitely have them here. Also, the ranch season packets that I use for the ranch dressing that I made, that is also here, but in just a big bottle. So just something to consider, as well as this big bottle of Old Bay down here as well. Look at that thing driving itself around the store. I'm assuming it's cleaning the floors. And Ace is so obsessed with it. He like following it all around. But I'm down here looking for some flour, right? And all the flour in this aisle is bleached flour. I guess if you're going to get it wholesale, that's how they sell it. But I need unbleached flour. So I might have to get that when I go over to Whole Foods. Come on, Ace. Because they definitely don't have any here. Look, every single bag. Bleached. And that's something else. So, excuse me, go get to your cart. Get to your cart. Thank you. All right, so that we know, no unbleached flour. So I am gonna get some brown sugar, because I definitely use that a lot when I'm doing oatmeal. So I'm going to buy this one in this bag here. Let me see how many ounces this bag is. Oh, a 7-pound bag.
I just get up, bro. Get up.
This one is good, but I like the strawberry one better. This mango, sometimes certain mango products, it's crazy, but it'll come off like it have like a oniony aftertaste, and I don't like that oniony aftertaste. All right, so we are finally out of Whole Foods. I happened to find some poppies in there. I got the strawberry rose flavor, because actually when I went to Sam's Club last week, I didn't even get it. I ended up putting the case back. But and then this week when I went, they didn't have any at all. So I got this single one, a raspberry rose one, just to see how it would taste before I committed to like a case. It's only a case of 4 at Whole Foods, so you definitely benefit. It's more of a benefit to get them from Sam's Club in a case, but I don't even think I saw raspberry rose in the flavors. So okay, yeah, so this one, I'm glad I only got one, because it's not giving like the other ones were. When things have like the rose flavor in them, I don't like it. So even like rose water, and it's like this some type of water I had bought from either Trader Joe's or Whole Foods before, and I didn't like it. So I'm thinking I just don't like rose flavoring, but it's not god awful. On a scale from 1 to 10, I give it a 5.5. Okay, so I'm back. Forgive me if I look like I'm looking across the room, but it's because the way the camera is turned. But turn that down. But so I've been in for, I don't know, probably like an hour now. I'm so tired. Normally I would wash the clothes first and then go do my grocery shopping on Sundays. But this time I did it the other way around, thinking, oh, when I come back, at least I know I don't gotta leave out. I'm good. But now I'm so tired from that. I wish I would have did the laundry first and then went grocery shopping. Like, I don't know. I'm exhausted. I did all my laundry yesterday though, and the kids, they got way more clothes than me, so I think they should at least have something to get them through till tomorrow, and then I can just wash this off tomorrow because I'm tired. Okay, I am tired. I put all that stuff in the freezer, broke down all this stuff. We got a lot of stuff between Whole Foods and Sam's Club. It's a lot, so I'm gonna try to stretch this out at least until the 20th or somewhere around there before I have to go back to get any more re-ups or whatever. So we should see how this goes.